Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Google and opening AI Studio, then create a project right away. Once done, name it clearly and set the region and quota so costs and latency are predictable. Next, upload one dataset in a supported format like CSV, JSON, or images. Make sure to check schema and labels. You should also enable any needed APIs and grant project permissions to your account. These first steps get you into the workspace and ready for model setup without delay. You now pick Veo 3 as the backbone and select the exact task: classification, detection, or generation, and why. Veo 3 balances speed and quality. Once selected, configure hyperparameters. Set a reasonable batch size, learning rate, and number of epochs. Make small changes and validate. Make sure to preview and set data splits for train, validation, and test, and enable augmentation if your dataset is small. Then launch a short trial training run to verify everything behaves as expected before full training. You finish by exporting the trained Veo 3 artifact and deploying it to an endpoint. Pick real-time for low latency or batch for bulk jobs. Once deployed, configure auto-scaling, logging, and latency budgets. Then test with representative inputs to validate outputs and performance. If performance lags, make sure to inspect logs and metrics. Troubleshooting tip: if accuracy is poor, check for mislabeled data. Relabel a focus subset and retrain with early stopping. This often resolves noisy label issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.